Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is Kathura Kimathi and welcome to my channel, Learn Maths with Kathu. So today I'd like us to go through word problems. So far we've gone through addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and order of operations of integers. So we'll drive the point home by going through word problems, okay? And word problems are what I like referring to as story problems, okay? So in this type of questions, you'll be told some stories and then asked to calculate a few things, okay? And almost every topic in math has word problems. So far we've done word problems on whole numbers and GCD and LCM. So I'll leave the links to a playlist on whole numbers and GCD and LCM in the description box below so that you're all on the same page. So let's go through some examples so that the concept sticks. Shall we begin? Rhoda walked 4 floors down from the 10th floor and then took a lift to the 18th floor. How many floors did she go through while in the lift? Okay? So we've been told that Rhoda walked 4 floors down from the 10th floor, okay? So in order for us to know where she stopped, we'll need to subtract the number of floors she walked, which we've been told is 4, from the floor she previously was before she started walking, okay? Which we've been told is the 10th floor, okay? So 10 minus 4 is 6. So that means that she got to the 6th floor of that building by foot, okay? Let's continue reading the question. And then took a lift to the 18th floor. So here we are basically being told that Rhoda took a lift from the 6th floor, which is the floor she got to by foot, all the way to the 18th floor, okay? So what's the question asking us to do? How many floors did she go through while in the lift? So you need to figure out how many floors she went through while on the lift, okay? So in order for us to know this, we'll need to subtract the floor where she was currently standing on, which is the 6th floor, from the 18th floor, okay? Which is where she wanted to go. And 18 minus 6 is 12 floors. So we can comfortably conclude that Rhoda went through 12 floors while in the lift. Are we together? Let's go through one last example. Kericho is a town on Kisumu-Nakuru Road. The distance between Kisumu and Kericho is 85 kilometers, while that between Kericho and Nakuru is 105 kilometers. What is the distance between Nakuru and Kericho? Okay? So we've been told that Kericho is a town on Kisumu-Nakuru Road. So that statement automatically tells you that Kericho is in between Kisumu and Nakuru, okay? So you can represent that with a diagram. So we have Kisumu, Kericho, and Nakuru. So the distance between Kisumu and Kericho is 85 kilometers, while that between Kericho and Nakuru is 105 kilometers. So we'll need to write those distances on the diagram that we have just drawn. So what's the distance between Nakuru and Kisumu? So that's a very easy question. So if the distance between Kisumu and Kericho is 85 kilometers and the distance between Kericho and Nakuru is 105 kilometers, and we also know that Kericho is somewhere in between Kisumu and Nakuru, then the distance between Kisumu and Nakuru, or Nakuru and Kisumu, which is basically the same thing, is the total distance, okay? So the total distance in our case is 85 kilometers plus 105 kilometers, which is 190 kilometers. So the total distance is 85 plus 105, which is 190 kilometers. So we can comfortably conclude that the distance between Nakuru and Kisumu is 190 kilometers, okay? So that was quite easy and fun, right? Exactly. So I'll stop there for today. In our next lesson, I'll help you go through a few more examples on word problems for integers, okay? So additionally, I'd like to mention that I offer tutoring services. So if you're interested in getting tutored, please make sure you fill out the Google form that I've included in the description box of this video, as well as in all my other videos. I'll reach out to you as soon as possible, okay? So if you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free, yay! See you in